Hello everyone, I just want to give you a very brief update on what's happening. As you can see from looking around, the flooring has been installed here in the gathering place. And you can see that the trim is going in, so lots of work is being done, both in here and in the main building. We are looking forward to starting to move in next week and to be able to gather in this space right here for services on July 22nd and 23rd. Right here in this room, we'll have the 5 o'clock Saturday service on July 22nd, and the service on Sunday will be at 9:30 in this room. There's a nice room attached over there that we'll use for the reception after the 5 and coffee hour after the 9:30. And just a reminder that this coming Sunday is our last Sunday at Peace Church. Once we move over here to the gathering place to begin having weekend services, we'll no longer be having the 11:30 service at Peace. So as you can see, things look absolutely beautiful, and we are so looking forward to moving in here and begin using this wonderful space.